let's do mystery. We're doing mystery, everyone. 3 by, oh, that's the worst. 15. It's all right. It's okay. Come on, here we go. Oh, we don't go up. Oh, wow. Oh, so we don't go up. All right. I like it when you go up. I didn't realize that. Okay, we got 25. Sorry about that. Come on, let's close the pot. 44. I'm happy with that. Good. Come on, do a little bit more. 51. We love you. We don't have a pot yet, but that's okay. So 4 more. Oh, do we get to re-trigger? 67, not bad. Last one. No, we didn't get it. But 67, I'll take it. Very nice. Here we go. Nice. All right, guys, we're in. We're in. Here we go. I like 5. Yeah, I do. Okay, here we go, everyone. We got in at 10. Let's get a jackpot. Are you ready? I am. Come on, baby. Come on. All right. 70. 87. Honey, wait a minute.
Probably does, but.
All right. Wouldn't it be great if the pot closes? Oh, that's pretty. How about a re-trigger? We're on a $10 bet, so give us a little bit more. We need at least 200 plus. Go. 2 more. Go. Not much. So we're gonna have 200 at least. Okay, that's it, guys. Nothing fancy. Okay, there we go.
Top of that.
Yeah, and so, but that's on a $10 bet, so that's not real good. Okay, guys, we're gonna do mystery. Let's do mystery. I had to get paid out for my jackpot. So what do I have? How many spins? 15. Oh, it's like, okay, here we go. Yeah. On a 588. I didn't get upgraded.
Oh, you're out now. Oh, you're in.
I'm in.
Okay, my bad. Oh, we got the dragon.
It's 174.
That's a nice hit.
Hang on, I'm going back here for that.
Wow.
Okay, we got 15 total. So let's do it. 568. We didn't get the upgrade. Oh, that's going to be beautiful.
That'll put you over.
246. Let's go, baby, go. Come on.
Go, go, go. Oh, more dragons.
438.
438. Oh, my goodness.
Yep, this is it, guys. I've got my new favorite machine. Okay, let's go. We've got 3 more. Come on, baby. Go, go. Oh, nice. Pop it, pop it. I don't know why. Okay, that's it.
Whoa.
And we didn't have any, and we did mystery and no re-triggers, guys.
Okay.
No re-triggers.
There's a pot. Okay.
Okay, we're in at 188 slow. We got something 32, so we got 3 games. We hit the mystery, and that's what they gave us. Okay, 49. I'm pretty happy. And that's
63.
it. We'll take 63. Absolutely. Here we go. So we're in 288, and we got the mystery.
Oh, it's weak.
And the mystery, not yet. We got 10 more. We want to re-trigger. Now, she said on the mystery there's a lot of re-triggers. And, but I haven't had one re-trigger on the mystery. Okay,
That's a good hit.
72. Okay, we're still here right after our live. Come on, baby. Can you do it for me? Okay, 92. I'll take it. Oh, that was nothing. Come on. Where's our re-trigger? I don't think the mystery necessarily gives you a re-trigger. All right, let's do it. Oh, no. Okay, 3 more, but we're at 100. That's good.
Oh.
Okay, I needed that 100. Uh-oh, last one. Nothing. $9. Okay, take 111. We got it. Nice, we'll take it. Thank you. Guys, I reached over to Catherine's and she left and I played 288. I got in, I got the major.
Yeah.
It was an upgrade, so it's $1,600.
It's an explosion.
Isn't that cool? Look at that, guys. Love it. Got a jackpot. No, it doesn't. Not for me. All right, that's great. It was the major was
Oh,
800.
it's a jackpot too.
Yeah, of course.